If you're sat on the fence, not knowing which decision to make, use your core values to help you. You're likely familiar with our My Values tool, part of our daily 5 to Thrive well-being workout, to build confidence and motivation. Our core values are the 3 to 4 qualities we believe are most important to being a good person. But we can also use them to help us make tough decisions by using them as a guide, just like businesses all over the world do. Look at Nike. Their core values are community, sustainability, diversity, and social responsibility. They believe the closer they work to these values, the more successful they'll be to reaching their goals. Their core values will guide every decision the business makes. And we can use it in all aspects of our life. Here's a quick example. If a friend has something stuck in their teeth, your tough decision is, should I tell them? Say your core values are honesty and kindness. If I tell them, I'm sticking to my values of being honest and kind. If I don't tell them, then I'm not being honest and not doing the kindest thing. You stick to your values and tell them, making the tricky decision much easier. And this can really be applied to any decision you need to make. So look at your options and see which option lines up with your values. By making a decision aligned to your values, you can be sure you're doing your best to be a good person.